Hi there! I hope this message finds you well. Today's order is definitely special. It's our first time to have a customer who has returned to us with another order. And not only that, but she ordered 2 items. I'm excited to share with you that our customer, Ms. Verney, has chosen our ring collection for her latest purchase. As a team, we always strive to provide the best possible service, and it's fantastic to know that our efforts are paying off. We love hearing from our customers and seeing their joy in our beautiful pieces. And when we receive a message like this, it just makes everything worth it. Our ring collection is truly stunning, and we're confident that Ms. Verney will love it. She has already shown her appreciation for our work by ordering a second time, so we know that she's a loyal customer who values quality and style. I just wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for your continued support. To work with such wonderful customers like you, thank you again for choosing us to make your special day even more memorable. We can't wait to see what you'll choose for your next order and are thrilled to have the opportunity. We appreciate every order, no matter how small.